very excited that I joined this program. It has not only helped me improve all of my numbers, my blood pressure, my A1C. I enjoy coming to the group fitness classes. They're enjoyable. The cooking classes have been amazing. And then the group therapy, the life coaching has been amazing. And then the food therapy classes are helping me as well. My motivation level for wellness has improved, and I'm excited to see where this journey leads to.
I will say that everyone should join this because it's beneficial to our health. They give us coach for mental stability too in regard to weight, whether it's gain or loss too much, losing weight, diabetes, high blood pressure. You have to be on track of your health to be with your loved ones. I will recommend this program to everyone I know and I meet because your health is more valuable than anything else.
This program, T2 Fitness, has helped me out tremendously. I'm up, I'm exercising, I'm eating correctly, and it's giving me discipline, and that's what I needed.